first step,
For what?
put on the pressure foot, no screw,
Yeah.
and make the needle at its lowest position. Needle should be in the center of the pressure foot.
For this.
Yes, needle in center of pressure foot.
Okay.
Yes, after we find the right position of the needle, then put off the pressure foot.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then adjust the looper bracket.
For this.
Looper bracket. Yeah.
For
Make the looper hit a little the needle.
Okay. And 3 millimeter or why?
No, just yeah,
Okay.
a little.
Okay. For not front.
No. You can hear the sound.
Yeah.
Two levels.
Yeah. For regular.
Adjust this screw and this screw together.
Okay.
It's just not hit. This not hit. This one not hit. This one hit a little.
Okay.
After we adjust the two loopers, after finish this, and then we adjust the height of the needle bar.
Okay.
The bottom of the looper tip, 2 or 3 micrometers.
Okay.
Cover the top of the needle groove.
Okay.
3 or 2, yeah, maximum 3.
For any special, 3 millimeter.
3, yeah, 3, yeah. And after we find the right position of the needle bar,
11.
fasten the needle bar.
Okay.
Adjusting, do not change the position of the needle. This is fixed. Not change position.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Because can change this.
Yes. Upper and lower adjustable.
For this. Okay.
To adjust the clearance between this looper and the needle.
Yeah.
The fork, yes, just pass, yeah. As near as possible, but no hit. For example, this now it hit needle.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Need to adjust it. When this looper moves to the maximum left hand, the fork, this part level inside this.
For
Cross the needle. You see?
Okay.
No need clearance, just the position like this.
现在就已经有点过了，看到没有？更难，对。
Now you see, you listen, it hits, not good.
哦，那是调间隙的，这不困难。歪人过的 ，OK。
Only just leave a very little clearance list between this. The tip, the highest position of this tip, 2 micrometers lower than the needle plate.
Okay.
First, needle tip in the center of this part, or a little bit left.
Okay.
When the needle goes down, the looper goes up. They just pass each other, no hit. Just pass each other. Now see, it hits this.
Sample for.
Just 这个螺丝是吧？Lose the screw and make it a little bit forward. Just pass, just pass. No hitting. Only the first step, this looper and this needle hitting. Other parts no hitting. This no hit. This no hit. Just pass.
Exactly for this.
Yes. No clearance and no heat.
Yeah.
Best position is needle goes up, goes down, and this looper goes up. The best position is needle tip, just in the center of the looper. This surface, or a little bit left. You see,
Yeah.
this is the best position.
Okay.
Now the position, the relative position of the 5 loopers and needles
这个我跟你说，看
Finish.
视频也看不明白。OK。
Yeah.